girl, you are the queen.
Hello guys, spend some time with me sewing as a hair accessory business owner in Nairobi, Kenya. So as you see, I've already laid out my fabrics. I also have my matching threads and some are also in the bobbin, so I'm all set to start sewing. I'll first of all begin by cutting out the fabrics as you see laid there. So I usually love to have my work seamless and effortless, so I lay all my fabrics together. After that, I'll take out my template. I have a bonnet template that I'm just going to put on top of the fabric pieces to map out the template. So there it is. I'm just pinning it down, then I'll go ahead and cut it out to give me 5 different bonnet fabric pieces. For this business restock, I'll be making some reversible bonnets, then I'll also be making some satin lined shower caps, headbands, and I'll also be making some satin pillowcases for my business. My business page is at Beyote.accessories. So I'll be making all these products and I'll take you through all of these. If you want something, if you want to order anything, you can reach us on TikTok or on Instagram at Beyote.accessories, or I also leave my WhatsApp contact in the description. You can check it out, reach out to me directly, and I'll be able to deliver to you whatever, any certain hair accessories that you will need. Right now I'm going to start sewing. I already have all these fabrics cut, and I also have some fabrics that I had cut earlier, and I'll just make all of them together. So I'll say that my most favorable and I think the easiest product for me to make in my business is the reversible satin bonnets. I don't know why, but I really do enjoy making the bonnets. I think because they are the best seller products in my business page. I'm not so sure why, but I enjoy making the bonnets. I also enjoy making shower caps, but for the pillowcases, they are like I have to put in a lot of work. It really stresses me out. Yet I've not yet really mastered the art of making pillowcases, though I do make pillowcases too and sell them. One thing that I'll say I'm really struggling with in my business is the marketing part. Though I do post consistently and all that, but converting those likes and follows into real customers who really buy your products, that's where I really get a lot of challenge. But I'm working on it and I'm getting there, because of late my business has been improving. I must say it has been improving and it has been great in terms of sales and customer reviews, like maybe those who also come to like just inquire, meaning a lot of people are seeing my products out there. And I would really like to take this chance to appreciate all the people that have believed in my business, maybe bought a thing or two and came back, because I do have some repeat customers, like 5 repeat customers at the moment, and I don't take that for granted. So recently I also launched a new product in my business, because I introduced wigs in my business because I've been making wigs for myself for the longest time, and I do make like these cute braided wigs. Mostly I make braided wigs for myself, so I thought why not like commercialize that, because they are super cute. Like I'm just blessed. I may say that that's a fact. I'm just super blessed. And yeah, so I thought why not introduce that to my business. But those wigs, I'll only be making them on order. If someone orders a wig from me, that's when I'll make the wig for them, because I won't just be making wigs for the sake of putting them in my shop. One of the main reasons why I'll always vouch for my business is because I hand make the products all by myself. So all the products pass through my quality standard procedures. I check all the products before taking them out for delivery. Also, while stitching, I make sure everything is fine. If there is a mistake, I'll correct it there and then. Like, I just want to ensure that my customer receives whatever he or she has ordered and have it in the best form that it can be, because it wouldn't make any point to get to buy something but it is substandard. That's one of the things that I take keen, I put all my keenness on. I don't want to give something substandard to my customer, if you get what I mean. So I ensure that everything is made properly. Like, I take it as my own, and by doing this I also make sure that my name is also out there. When a customer refers someone, he or she has something good to say about my business. Right now, I love to hear your thoughts, guys. Let me know in the comment section which is that one or two or any certain product, certain hair care products that you own. Let me know, do you have a certain bonnet, reversible certain bonnet which is protective to the hair? Do you have a certain lined shower cap? Do you have certain pillowcases, certain headbands? Because we all know the benefits of certain to the hair, right? To the hair and our skin. So which certain product do you own, and why do you own it? What makes it like special in your routine? Why did you choose to own it? Let me know in the comment section. Not to brag, guys, not to brag, but recently I reached out to 4 of my customers who had bought reversible satin bonnets from my business. I just wanted to follow up and maybe know how the bonnets are, if they serve them well, if the bonnets like meet the expectations and all that. So I just asked them how the bonnets are, and I was so pleased. All of them told me like the bonnets, first of all, one thing that the bonnets do for them all is that they stay on the head all night. Guys, when I tell you that I customize my bonnets perfectly to fit any adult head size, I mean that they fit at any adult head size and they don't fall off, and they don't have those tie on headbands, those that you can tie with them. Though I also make those ones, but these customers specifically bought the elastic ones and they don't fall off at night. So I'm not bragging, but guys, it's also good to brag at times because I do know that I make quality. That's what I love about my bonnets. I also do use them, and my sister also uses them. And my sister also told me, I just randomly asked her one day, what do you think about the bonnet? Has it ever fallen off, like when you are sleeping? And she was like, never, it has never fallen off. And something also interesting is the fact that When I started my business, I didn't have a sewing machine, so I used to sew by hand. My first ever bonnet that I made using my hand, I still have it up to date. Maybe I'll show that to you some other day. So that bonnet, okay, when I go to my mom's place, it's usually at my mom's place. So when I go over there, that's what I usually use at night. And let me tell you, it never falls off, though the elastic has started to become it has started losing its elasticity, and you can see that because of the size of the elastic, but still the bonnet does not fall off. That's what I love about it. It stays on my head all night, and I was telling my sister about it, like it has served me for so many years, but still it serves its purpose, never falling off. So that's one thing I really love about my bonnet. So if you'd like to have one, head over to Beyote.accessories. My contact is in the description box. One thing that I'll tell you for a fact and for free is that if you've never interacted with any Beyote accessories product, you are missing out on a lot. You are missing out big time, because our products are majorly for protecting your hair against breakage. Breakage is the major culprit to stunted hair growth, or like you won't see your hair growing, because all hair grows, but if your hair keeps breaking, you won't see the growth. And that's what we aim at Beyote.accessories. We prevent breakage. So if you haven't gotten yourself any item from Beyote accessories, girl or boy, please run over to Beyote.accessories today and get yourself a thing or two. You can also give to your friends, your loved ones, your relatives, just anyone you can think of. Thank you so very much for staying with me up to this point, for listening to my story, for watching my video to this very point. I do not take it for granted. It means you are invested in your hair care. You have great taste, obviously, and that you are in tune with your hair care. So thank you so very much. Kindly leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. Also, like this video if you haven't liked it yet, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I beg, please subscribe. Just hit the red button over there and subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost a thing to subscribe to my channel, guys. It doesn't cost a thing. Anyways, thank you so very much for staying to this point, and I'll see you in my next video. I'm also truly sorry for the background noise. It's on a holiday. The pupils and students are back at home. They are playing outside. I have no control over that. So yeah, thank you for your understanding and for watching the video to the end. Bye guys, I love you.